Hi, I'm Stephanie Oswald. Everyone knows a honeymoon is what happens after the wedding. A baby moon is a more recent trend we've seen at Travel Girl magazine, where a couple takes off on a last hurrah before their first child is born. But what about a mommy moon? That's a great name for this next all-girl getaway. When it comes to travel, moms need a lot of extra time to prepare. That's because they've got to make sure the kids have everything they need. Food, rides to play dates, matching outfits, all those things that happen invisibly when mommy is at home.
Give me a foot.
We have 4 mommies who are desperate for a break and have made the decision to get away with just the girls. After 2 days of relaxation, sightseeing, and shopping, the trip ends with a night of elegant dining in Santa Monica.
So we're getting ready to go out for our big fancy dinner tonight. We've got all dressed up and we're gonna meet Tiffany and Fondra in just a few minutes. So we're very excited about just a nice night out where we don't have to cook.
And we don't have to worry about anyone else eating at the table or feeding anyone else at the table.
I'm not cutting your food for you.
No.
Good evening, ladies. How are you?
Hi.
We're great.
Oh, wonderful.
Is this your first time dining with us?
It is.
Wonderful.
There's mac and cheese.
Oh, you're gonna order that, aren't you, LaDonna?
Okay, there's a rule.
so
No one is allowed to order the mac and cheese tonight. No one. No one.
Nobody. Oh, man. I'm not having to make any of this.
This is a real treat for you, isn't it?
It's just wonderful.
I bet.
And it feels good to sit at a table that's this small with no high chairs around and no mess cloth on the floor. No bibs.
No
I
faces.
don't know that I've seen a menu without a kids section on it. I can't remember the last time I did that.
Did you have any questions on the menu this evening?
Everything looks amazing. We can't wait. But I think we really want to do the chef's special and see what you surprise us
You know,
with.
that's my favorite.
Thank you.
I think I'm gonna faint.
Wow.
I have missed my kid to a point, but as far as the day-to-day grind, the busyness of cleaning up after every meal and picking up toys and baths, you know, I haven't missed that. I've really enjoyed just being a woman again and not somebody's mom. It's been really good.
Probably hanging out with the girls was the best part of the weekend, and it's been wonderful getting to know LaDonna and Susan, just having 2 new friends in my life.
To top the night off, the girls have a drink by the indoor fire pit.
LaDonna, thank you so much for setting all of this up. This has been such a great weekend.
I definitely think that we need to do it again.
Definitely.
So I say here's to next year on our All Mommies Getaway, ladies. All right.